Today we're going to upgrade the third brake light and cargo light on this 2016 F-150 with a new smoked LED unit from Accelatec. This smoked LED housing from Accelatec can replace the factory piece on your 2015 through 2021 F-150 or your 2019 through 2021 Ranger. It features LED construction, it's going to be a direct replacement for the factory, and it's 2 rows of LEDs in the factory colors. Again, a very simple installation, only requires a flathead screwdriver or a T20 Torx bit. Start by removing the 4 factory screws. Now pop off the factory piece and pull out the wiring harness and disconnect. So first thing you're going to do is plug in our new Accelatec light. We have the door open so you'll see that the cargo lights come on immediately. And you notice there's a tiny little switch on the back. The switch is going to give you 2 options for braking, either your normal brake light or an actual quick flashing brake light. So this is going to be your normal brake light first. And this will be the flashing brake light. Go ahead. They'll flash like that just for a second when you first hit the brakes. Hit it again. We're going to go for the original style with our setup, but again, switches on the back, set it up any way you like. All right, now basically we're going to put the harness back inside out of the way. Then line up the light. There's 2 studs here. Actually, we'll clip into place and reinstall the screws. Again, when you're tightening these screws, get them snug, but don't crank them too much. Again, it is plastic. And your installation's finished. The LED third brake light and cargo lights from Accelatec are an excellent upgrade for your Ranger or F-150, and the smoke look looks really good on this ruby red truck. The installation, as you saw, is very simple. 10 to 15 minutes, we'll be back on the road in no time.